industry. We gotta clean. People get into the cleaning industry and be like, man, it's dirty. I was like, what do you expect? You in the cleaning industry. You get all that down there. You walk in here, they gotta paint. They're gonna do this. So this clean right here is basically the clean to get everything prepped for when they're gonna call us back in to clean again after they do all their work. She don't want the painters to paint the bugs on the wall. So this one has to be called in for the cleaners to come clean. Then the painters and the people come and work, and then the cleaners may be called to touch it up again. So this maybe end up being 1.5. Because the first cleaners, you charge a full price, and to come touch it up, we charge a half price. This one here, she wants this one before. Alright, so we will be making sure that vacuum is cleaned out. I use bags of bagless vacuum so we can rinse it out when we get done. Come in here, give me some gloves, and go ahead and handle it. So with this one here, it's like this. What I'm gonna do is, this is my plan of action. Come in here, sweep this first. Sweep all of this up, get all of this stuff off. That's it, that's how it is, man. So I'm gonna come in here, sweep it first, get all this caught up. Spray the oven. Spray the oven and spray the refrigerator. Sweep up everything as well. Throw that away. Throw all this stuff away up here. Maybe touch up a little of the cabinets. But my main focus right now is getting this so my team don't have to see all these bugs. They can come in here with them. Maybe vacuum a little bit. Yeah, vacuum up in here. I'm gonna vacuum, sweep, and spray the oven in the refrigerator. And clean up this mess right here in this room. And then I'll leave it for the team to come back. And I'll work with somebody later on and we'll just knock it out. That way, you know, they'll come into a better situation than I did. That tub right there, I know they're gonna spray it, but we'll still clean it. But I know they're gonna spray it. But we'll definitely clean it. Come on, man, let's get to it. This is another day with a scent.
A few moments later.
Had some problems. Guy moved in, wasn't pleased. Some of the things he's seen. Now, he called because they had this situation here. But just to appease it, we have to make sure that we did our part too, because we got lumped in. So I came in and I seen that, you know, around here was good. Around there was pretty good. They missed that part right there. And just to make it look better, to make sure he looks nice when he comes home. Everything's smelling good for him. Here and there a little mixture as far as the cleaning. And see sometimes a lot of people come in behind it. So I'm about to see if I can get that up a little better. I always turn on both of them for some reason. Okay. So tub looks good. I guess I'll work on that to get it together. I will work on that right there. It's grab a little better since we're coming back in. But first glance, the building looks pretty good. The apartment looks pretty good. This into the details. Let's see. Okay. So it's not really bad. Let's see about these. That's cool. So it's not filthy. Not filthy. I see there's a couple of touch-ups that we can do. But I don't mind coming in and doing it. I think it's he had another situation going on over here. We just got lumped into it. I think that's one of the things. Throw the cleaner in. The cleaning always got to get thrown in. So he threw us in there, and that's fine. We got it. We come do our part.
A few moments later.
All right, so we finished this. Walked through, touched it up. It had some issues that we took care of. That right there has to be resprayed. Scent. Have a nice scent. Got that route.